Shane is twice as old as Annie. 10 years ago, her age was twice of Annie. Find their present ages. So, Shane ay gawin nating S. Ayan. Si Shane is twice as old as Annie. Ayan. 2A. So, ito, si Shane yung S. Shane is twice as old as Annie. So, ito yung ating equation 1. So, next, 10 years ago, ayan, 10 years ago, her age was twice of Annie. Ayan. So, ito diba, si Shane, 10 years ago, ang age niya was twice of Annie. So, 3 times A minus 10. Kasi ano 10 years ago, ayan. So, age of Shane was twice as old as Anne. So, ito na yung ating equation 2. Ayan. Pwede na natin i-solve. So, gagamitin natin yung equation 1. Isa-substitute natin dito. So, S is 2A. So, Shane is twice as old as Annie. So, yung S magiging 2A na yan. 2A. Ayan, minus 10. So, 3 times A, 3A, negative 30. So, transposition method. 3A. So, yung 2A, pag i-transpose, magiging negative 2A. And then, so, yung negative 10 dito, bring down. Negative 30, pag i-transpose, magiging positive 30. So, 30 minus 10 is 20. And 3 minus 2A is 8. So, A si Annie. Si Annie is, symmetric property. Annie is 20 years old. Ito yung present age ni Annie. So, si Shane naman, Shane is twice as old as Annie. So, Shane is 2 times the age of Annie. So, si Shane ay 40 years old.